everyone, today I'm going to be playing Bloons TD Battles with someone from a Discord server that I'm in. His name is Cat BTD, and he's actually a pretty good YouTuber for Bloons TD Battles. If you want tips, if you want to see cool Bloons TD Battles content, you can definitely go check out his channel. I'm currently joining his game right now. Okay, I'm going to get my preferred loadout, and I'm going to set, and I'm going to get my, and I'm going to get the powers, and I'm going to go in the game. Hopefully, this will be a good experience. Okay, classic rules. I'm going to start off by placing a dart monkey, upgrading it to trip, and giving me money to upgrade it to triple darts. Once I do that, I'm going to focus on getting range for my dart monkey. This is good as an early wave defense because, well, yeah, an upgraded defense is a good defense. We definitely want more of these too to help defend. He's surprisingly hasn't lost any lives yet because he has a thing that has been hardly upgraded, but right now I'm going to go use one of my red hot spikes. And I'm going to get triple darts. And I should probably save up to get like banana farms and start going eco as soon as I can. And of course I should like always place down more of these, because why not? It helps us, and well, yeah, pretty much it. It helps us. Okay, all he has is a triple dart monkey, but he's also going to go with the banana farmer, which is nice. The banana farmers instantly pick up bananas that come out of the banana farm, so you don't have to. Okay, he's placing down like more units. Good for like attacking. I don't know if I should put like spikes on the ground in case Bloons sleep by. And I should save this temple for like space for my farms. I'll probably a sniper. I'm going to try going eco by, I'm going to get some income by just spamming a bit of pink balloons at him. Pink balloons are pretty quick. I should definitely keep giving him pink balloons. Not to try to kill him, but to get like income. Next I'm going to start placing on banana farms. So yeah, if you wanna get more ego in assault mode, you definitely. Oh no, he's sending lead balloons. Oh wait, I think it's fine. It's pretty fine. Oh no. Oh no, we're dying. We're dying, troops. We're dying. Okay, sorry for that. Pretty weird, but. Oh my god, he's taking away so many of my lives. He's getting a crazy amount of bananas. And he has a catapult. I should probably try to get a catapult too. I also have Juggernaut, which I'm going to try to do. Okay, I'm going to try to place my banana farm. Yeah, getting the left path for the banana farm is always a good idea because of how much bananas it produces. And for me, getting bananas isn't too much of a struggle for me, so I'm fine with that, honestly. Just give me some more pink balloons. Okay, we got the Juggernaut. Should be good, I guess. Whatever. Wait, what? Oh! Yeah, thanks for the well done, even though because I survived thousands of blood wounds. Whatever, I'm going to try to get, 2 banana republics. Are we fine here? Oh, thankfully we're fine. Okay, he's starting to lose some lives, but it's fine. He didn't lose that much. Frick. So he's going, like, left path, which is, I guess, fine. It's okay, I guess. Valuable banana is kind of expensive, but it's fine, I guess. Okay, we got a monkey republic over here. And we're going to try to get the same thing for... Oh my god, no. He's simply just rushing. Hopefully. Hopefully we can win this rush. No! Someone's running by! Someone's getting by! Okay, we need to get a... Oh no. What happens next square is going to be maniacal. I do not want that. What he's going to do to happen. Oh yeah, it's going to be with the natural thing. He's... This guy's so good. No! GG, Cat BTD. I'm gonna put his channel down in the description so you can... And also we're going into another match. I did say 2 matches, so... Yeah, I guess the deal's a deal then. Okay, Mark's a pretty good map. Yes. Okay, this time I'm going to change it up and get, well, I don't know, nah. I'm trying to decide, but I think I'll get him. No, I'll get him. Okay, this is the last match. This last match is probably going to wreck me, but it's all in fun of games. Oh, the story is pretty good in my opinion. I'm gonna save up for that, definitely. For Destroyer, he attacks really fast. If you think about it, Ice Monkey's pretty good too. I don't know why I haven't tried him yet. I've seen him just wreck the balloons. I don't want to build a farm because that would... Okay, yeah, I got the Destroyer. Yep. The good thing about this eco, the eco from Pink Balloons is that it's fast, so you're probably going to lose lives like that in the top left. And it gives you a good amount of eco for a normal balloon. Black balloons are good too, and also green balloons, I think. Yeah. I'm actually for basic balloons, and I'm definitely going to place on more towers, like another Buccaneer. Oh my god, I mean, he's more than me. The story is so good. I want the story for every one of my Buccaneers. The next one is pretty good too. My man's going eco. Ah. You just need a defense, and that's pretty much it. And also going eco, because definitely that's going to help a lot. Okay, so we got a submergent support. I know. Oh my god, I almost lost a life. I just probably gotta hit this guy closer. So I'm ahead in lives. I'm not gonna try to send him the Oh no, he got the reactor. Reactor's so strong and satisfying. Give some of you. Yeah, not even that gets past that. I'm going to spam him some Moabs and late game, so switch into that. Okay, he already got a decent bank. I'm gonna start getting my good bank, a good bank for me. I love this music for Bloons TD Battles. It's also the one for the main theme for Bloons TD Battles too, which is cool. He has a good defense. Oh, really good defense. Oh, good send Noah. Nice. Okay, let me just send it. Bruh. Yeah, sending stronger balloons like Moabs and other stuff decreases your income instead of increasing it. But it's probably not going to worry that much because that's one Moab. That's a Moab. Yeah, it's probably not going to survive. Yeah, balloons. That's only like a preview of what's to come, so like don't get too excited. If we send those, then he must be crazy to think I don't have any cameras. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, that's all for today, guys. But tomorrow I will come back with more quality content for Bloons TD Battles. So yeah. Have a good day, everyone.